Bitcoin is breaking out towards the upside of this falling wedge with volume confirmation. I am still in my long position on BitGet, and after creating this bullish divergence yesterday, we saw this insane bounce. I've actually already been talking about this bullish divergence and that I want to be seeing this bullish divergence first of all being formed before really going to be starting to flip bullish. And yes indeed, yesterday we were creating this bullish divergence. I've been talking about this for a very long time, and that has caused this insane bounce towards the upside. Now the charts are looking very good again. We have already been talking about this for a couple of weeks, and we are finding some kind of a resistance. We need to be getting back above this resistance in order to really flip bullish. But first of all, having a look in towards the imminent short term, what I find very important to have a look in towards actually is this same exact structure we are forming right now, and we have also formed back here. And a very interesting thing that you can be having a look in towards is not only this deviation on the bottom side and then creating this push towards the upside, but it's also that we were consolidating right here before really going to be seeing this huge push towards the upside. And back right here, we could actually be seeing in the very short term another falling wedge being developed right here, which we broke towards the upside, and that has caused this pump and this consolidation back right here, because at the same time we were also having another falling wedge pattern right here that we eventually broke towards the upside right here, and then we created this huge pump towards the upside. And well, not only the market structure is looking exactly the same, because we were seeing of course this push right there towards the upside, this dump with the first dump and then the second dump, and right after that we saw this bounce right here. Once again, for the price action right now, we are seeing the exact same. We see this pump, the first dump, the second dump, and right here this bounce. Okay, not only that is looking very similar, but we are also forming this resistance level right here that we are trying to get above. Okay, just like this resistance level right here, we are forming this one right here, and we are seeing this consolidation below our resistance, I think, before we are going to be moving up even further. Okay, so in my opinion, it will be very clear actually. We need to be breaking back above this resistance right here, and whenever we can be breaking above this resistance, well, then we are going to be seeing our huge pump getting initiated. So yes, of course, this chart is starting to look very good, but really the thing that you want to be paying attention in towards is this resistance. Now, one thing is for sure, we are seeing volume confirmation on the Coinbase exchange. Now, actually having a look in towards the Bybit chart, we are not really seeing our volume confirmation. Volume is still kind of declining. You can still see we are trading inside of this downtrend, and well, we actually did want to see this volume spike also on the Bybit chart. This might be suggesting some kind of a fake out again, but also on the other hand, because we are actually seeing this volume confirmation on the Coinbase chart, well, it might just be the case that we need to be waiting a few more hours before we are going to be breaking above this resistance. And whenever we are going to be breaking above this one, well, then we are going to be getting our volume confirmation. So that will be very interesting to have a look in towards. Another very interesting thing is that we are looking to be getting this bounce from of this legendary support level. Okay, and we have previously around seen this huge push right here being created, right here as well, and right here another bounce. And right now again, we are about to get another bounce in, and whenever we can be breaking above this orange or right here this yellow resistance level, that is going to be the moment where we are going to be flipping ultra bullish. Because look, this is literally the weekly resistance that is holding us back like the most right now. Right here, back above this orange level, we are basically trading inside of a bull market. Right there, below the orange level, we have been trading inside of a bear market. Whenever we can be breaking back in towards this range, well, we are going to be trading back in towards bull market territories. Okay, and then having a look in towards this chart, well, we are coming very close in towards an apex. As you can be seeing, we are getting squeezed in right here, and we have to choose a direction either towards the upside or towards the downside anytime soon. So that's what I'm currently having a look in towards. Other than that, well, the stock market is still going up exponentially and Bitcoin is kind of lagging behind. The stock market is already almost reaching new all-time highs, while Bitcoin is still down pretty significantly. And the thing that I've been saying for a very long time already is that, well, Bitcoin is kind of a lagging asset. We first always see the stock market going up, and whenever people are going to be taking their profits from the stock market, money will be flowing back in towards Bitcoin. Okay, that has always been the rotation that has happened. So anytime soon, I do think Bitcoin will be catching up with the stock market right here. Also, because we are still seeing this calm before the storm, on the weekly time frame, we are seeing this volatility lows happening, indicating a huge move that is about to happen. And our trend is still, of course, towards the upside. This bear market recovery phase is not looking like it's about to stop anytime soon. Having a look in towards our on-chain indicators, we are looking like a lot more room for growth is actually inevitable. At the same time, sellers are getting exhausted and all of the long-term charts are actually looking very good for Bitcoin. So in the end of the day, this huge push towards the upside is going to be inevitable in my opinion. I'm just going to be keeping my trade open and waiting for this huge push that is going to be inevitable. And with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter, join my free Telegram channel with the link down in the description, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.